Ooh. Ugh. What? Where am I? Am I even home? Who are you people?
Oh, you boy. Huh? Look at that fat penguin and that small bubblegum. Who knew this could be such a weird world? Right, Rosalina? Mario, that's not nice. You know that. What? It's true. Look at that fat turtle. Or penguin. Ugh. Dang it, I messed up. Mario, I'm pretty sure that's not a fat turtle. I meant to say fat penguin. Look at that fat penguin. Look at that small piece of bubblegum. Huh. Two weird object species, whatever they are. But seriously, you guys get out of here.
Number one, yes, I'm fat. So, what's wrong with that? Also, Kirby, why are you here, Kirby? Ugh. Anyways, what is this place and where am I? Is that a bomb? Oh, right. 9/11. What? 9/11. Why would you make... That's not funny. People died in that. 9/11. 9/11. Excuse him. He's a moron.
Okay, 9/11. Why? And why are you people... Where are you people coming from? Why? Where are you guys coming from? Like, legit, I didn't ask. Oh, yeah. Shut up, I didn't ask. Damn. Fuck Christ. Mario, calm down. Stop being angry. I can't. There's just too many people coming out of nowhere, and I hate that. The fact that this turtle... freaking penguin, fat penguin, is talking to us legitimately, and I don't like it. Besides, what is a freaking duck talking about 9/11 bringing a bomb? And penguin, is you and Kirby related? 'Cause I don't care.
Name, you know. I am King Dedede. I'm related to Kirby. Well, no, I'm not, but I am his enemy, I guess. I don't know. Also, why are you here? Why not? You're scaring me. Good, because I have another bomb with me, and it's going to explode if you don't give me all your money. Why would I give you all my money? And anyways, you're an animal dog thing. What are you? An Umbreon? I don't know what that is, and I really do not care either. Alright, wise guy, you wanna play like that? Fine, let's play. Tell me where the money is or I'll stab your neck wide open!
Why people keep coming out of nowhere? You know what? That's it. I'm freaking done. Mario, what are you doing? Mario, don't, please! Ugh! Okay, which one wants to die first? Because I'm getting tired of this and someone's gonna die right now. So who's gonna go first? Huh? Anyone? Mario, please, you're being too serious. Please, they're just people. Just let them be. Nah, people want to keep coming out of nowhere? I'll shoot them. I'll shoot. I have the trigger button right here. I'll shoot. If anybody moves, I'm gonna shoot. I don't even care at this point.
Guys, I just came out the portal that was right behind me. Why is everyone fighting? Why do you have a knife? Why do you have a gun? And why are you, like, laying on the penguin? It's a little sus, man, and just put down the gun. We don't want to do anything we didn't mean to. I'm sorry for the curses. Oh, no, you're going back into the portal. Off you go. Sorry about him. He's from where I come from. Also, I'm Bogart. Nice to meet you all. Why do you have a gun? So, yeah. I make sound from my stomach. It's pretty cool when you think about it. I mean, do you know anybody that can make sound from their stomach? Aren't they so cool? Can you shut up? Really? Nobody cares. You're so irritating. I'm gonna stab you next. Anyways, I would kill you, but I'm gonna kill you. You Italian mustache thingy. What are you? Anyways, I'm gonna kill you. then I'm gonna kill you, then I'm gonna kill that four-armed freak. Anyways, let's get on with it. Got the knife. Is this even a knife? Can you just go away, please? Nobody really likes you. Shut up! Anyways, come on, Italian guy.
Hello, I'm Mario, and welcome to the world where you're gonna die, probably. You too, you black weirdo. And besides, did you just insult me? Well, okay then, I see about that. I know what to do now. For you guys, you should be back then with Hitler. I'm gonna kill this pink thing. Boom! Yeah, I'm gonna murder it. I'm gonna shoot its head off, and I'm gonna make sure it dies painfully, slowly, and avarice. Mario, stop! You've gone way too far! If you kill him, I'm gonna be sad and I'm gonna leave you. Babe, shut up. I'm not actually gonna do it. Now, put down your weapons, or I'll kill this pink blob, whatever it is, and I'm gonna make sure it dies. Bye! Oh, shut up. Oreos. I'm gonna pull the trigger. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna pull the trigger right now. Right now. Look, I'm getting ready. Anybody want to test me?
Kirby, please don't kill Kirby. Please, I'll literally do anything. Did you just call me black? Get off of me, weirdo. That's really racist, man. I don't think you realize how racist that is to call me black. I mean, you all black. I don't see what's wrong with calling you black. He's just calling you by your skin color, okay? Don't touch me! I'm gonna kill you. Okay? Well, let's try. Fine! What? Die! Stupid! Fine! I won't kill you because I can't. I would if I could. See, that just proves you are the moron. Not him, not those people, not that girl who looks like a fairy, but you. Okay? Now, you're going back in the portal. What portal? That portal. Ah! Alright, I got rid of him. He's gone now. Daisy, you can get up now. 9/11. 9/11. Louie, something is really wrong with you. I think we need to call the mental hospital.
Fine. I guess I won't kill her, but I'll yeet her instead. Nice one. Right, Rosalina? Mario, I seen a lot of things today, and I think I just want to go home right now. So, I'm gonna go right now. Oh, okay, bye then. I didn't think I wanted you to leave or anything. But, yeah, guys, it's me, Mario, and I'm not racist, as you know. But thanks, little guy. Thanks for helping me. How about we, go somewhere or something? You guys want to hang out or something? Except King Dedede, I don't want to hang out with the fat penguin over there.
I know what we can do. We can do 9/11. I think we need to get you to the mental hospital. Also, why don't you want to hang out with me? I didn't do anything to you at all. Literally nothing to you at all. I was just here minding my own business. Then, out of nowhere, I literally get attacked. Also, what have I done to you? And where's Kirby? Why'd you just get rid of Kirby? His girlfriend left him. You suck. You're an idiot. He's so stupid, isn't he? He's so retarded. What a dumbass. Something's wrong with me. Yeah, we're gonna get you to the mental hospital. Okay, I'm gonna go. 9/11. Yo, Bomb, why did you agree to help him do that? Number one, I didn't help him at all. Number two, I don't know. Why not? I was bored. Boy, are you an idiot. Hey, don't call me that. Is it because I'm black? What? No. Why? I'm not racist. Okay, I'm gonna believe you on this, dedede.
Okay, now I know. There's a lot of reasons with you, Fat Penguin. And besides, what is wrong with that duck? Is that duck okay? Cause he's on crack, and I kinda love it. He's fucking hilarious. But for reals though, yes, my girlfriend left and I'm pissed. That's probably why. And yeah, I'm hearing footsteps. Oh no.
What up, boys? Oh my god, look at the tits on that penguin. Damn, she got the biggest tits.
That's a guy.
Ah, shit, I mean, what up, bro? I wasn't talking about your tits or anything. You were looking pretty hot, I mean, good. So, does any of you guys want to hang out?
I'm pretty sure no one wants to hang out with you because you're the weirdest person I've ever met in my entire life. I can't believe your father paid me to take care of you and I don't even want you here in my life.
I'm gonna have to stop you right there, Chief. You got a bulge in your pants, and that's kind of gay.
No, I don't have one. Shut up, go away, I don't want you here.
You got a boner, you got a boner, you got a boner.
No, I don't! I can't believe you guys had to witness that. He's a fucking bag. I hated him.
First of all, stop calling me Fat Penguin. My name is King dedede. Also, Louie, yeah, he's a little mental. And, well, yeah, he's just mental. I'm talking about very, very, very mental. It's not even funny how mental he is. He's just out of this world mental and just mental. He's just very, very extremely mental. I can't even comprehend how mental it is. Jesus, that bird is loud. Anyways, he's just super mental. So yeah, he's just mental. Dude, I think you got someone behind you. I don't want to look, just because no. Anyways, he's just super mental. He just likes blowing things up for some reason, and he's just out of this world. Dude, there's this weird blue thing behind you. Okay, first of all, yeah, I know I'm fat, but you don't have to make fun of my neck.
Fat Penguin King dedede, whoever you are, there is seriously just a blue person behind you. I think it's about to rape you. I mean, I don't care if I get raped by someone as long as I go first.
Okay, number one, that's pretty gay. Also, I really don't remember asking, because literally... Please tell me that was a girl. Please tell me that was a girl. Dude, that was a girl. Your girl just kissed you. Wow. You got a girl. You got a girl now. Now you gotta not leave her when you have kids. So, who was it? I don't know. It's just some blue animal thingy. No. I wonder where she went now. Also, Mario, Bowser Jr. said he had something in your pants, and I clearly see it. Also, what is wrong with you, Mario? Why do you have that, and why are you saying you want to be raped? That's really gay. I think he's gay bomb. Hey man, just saying, that is pretty gay.
Whoa, calm down, Buster. I know I have a bulge in my pants, but why are you staring at it so much? I mean, like, Jesus, are you gay now? I mean, you know what? I'm done. Let's just end this affair already. And by the way, you're lucky to get kissed by a woman, because my woman doesn't kiss me often. I mean, I know I did it with her. Yeah, but yeah. So, I have rights. And, let's just at least hang out and be friends. I mean, like, we can't just keep this on forever.
The reason I can see it is because you literally have the tightest pants in the world. It is so visible Literally, Bob can see it. Hey man, just saying, that was pretty gay, man. We're not meaning to stare at it. We can literally see it from your stomach. That's pretty gay, man. Put on some stretchy pants. Don't put on that Velcro, stretchy rubber suit thing you got on. If it even is rubber, it's just really tight on you, bro. Why do you talk like that? What do you mean, why do I talk like that? Anyways, ha! Loser! Your girl doesn't kiss you? Well, at least I don't know if she's my girl. I literally just got kissed on a girl by a random girl. I don't even know who that is. Anyways!
Hey guys, I'm back after 4 years. I'm still looking for another pea shooter, but I can't seem to find one. Oh, so lonely. Have you seen a pea shooter? Did it hear Bob?
No. Nah, man. I haven't seen one.
Okay, I'll just sit here with you guys, then you're probably depressed otherwise.
Number one, I can't feel depression. Also, I just got kissed by a girl.
You what? You go to it? That's amazing. So you didn't kiss the girl kissed you?
Pretty much.
Wow! Is that true, Bob?
Yeah, you can even ask that big Italian guy up there.
Oh, that's Mario from Super Mario Bros.
Shut up. Also, if we're gonna hang out, what are we even gonna do? Like, literally, what can we do in this place? Just like, I don't know. Do something. Like what? I don't know, ask Mario. He probably knows what we can do. Do you know what to do, Mario? We literally have nothing we can do right now.
First of all, these are not tight pants. These are overalls, and I hope you know that you can't literally see any tight pants. There is no tightness anywhere. These are regular pants like every other normal being used. Are you a dumbass? Look, let me tell you something right now. That you can literally buy this from a gift shop, and it could be like off-brand, and it cannot be tight. Alright, as I was saying, yeah, I know I did not get kissed by my girlfriend, but at least I got something out of it because we were in bed and you know. But anyways, no. And also, yeah, Bomb, why do you talk like that? And we're gonna hang out somewhere at a restaurant or someplace. Hey Mario, I'm just looking because I'm kind of bored right now and I don't know what to do. I keep fighting these zombies and they just keep on coming and I'm getting pretty tired of it. Oh, hey, pea shooter. Oh, wow, look, 2 pea shooters in the same room. Isn't that convenient? 2 pea shooters? Where? Oh, hey, finally, a friend that's just like me.
You guys don't like the way I talk because I'm black, isn't it? Fine, forget you all. I'm gonna go eat some chicken back home.
Oh my god, another pea shooter? Really? Get off the computer. How? I've been looking for someone for so long. You don't realize how long it's been since I've seen another pea shooter. Oh my god, this is so cool. Wow. So, what do you do for fun? I said zombies for fun. I don't care if it's a cardboard or whatever. I just do whatever. What do you like doing?
So, restaurant thing, cool. Good idea, especially because I like food. Shut up, don't make a fat joke about me. Also, hey, pea shooter. You heard that, pea shooter? You said the zombies kept coming on him. If you know what I mean.
You're so weird. This is why I don't like being around you.
Shut up, you follow me everywhere.
Yes, in a restaurant. I was about to make a joke about you, but fine. I guess I'll not. And anyways, so what do you want to do at the restaurant? What restaurant do you want to go? Oh my god! I really want to be... Yes, I am lonely too. I always play around with zombies. I always shoot him up. And I even defeat him. Yeah, you defeat him by getting fucked by them. Shut up, Mario. You're just like King Dedede. Stupid and annoying. How dare you? I have a best friend right here. Then he could help me. Right? Wow, I can't believe I'm meeting another pea shooter that's just like me. Yeah, just like you. sucking dick. Yeah.
Whoa. Mario, what did you just say the pea shooters just do?
Shut up, King Dedede. You're so irritating, I swear. Pea shooter, you're right. Mario and King Dedede are exactly the same. They're annoying. And they're so irritating too, they keep making annoying jokes. Just because we have holes in our mouths. Everybody has a mouth. They're acting like just because our mouths are a different shape, they get to make so many funny jokes about it. Oh, I'm so hilarious. Oh, nobody cares. Just because we have a different shape of mouth doesn't mean you get to make fun of us. Dedede, how would you feel if I made fun of you? Cause look at those yee boots you have on. You have some clown boots on right now.
Those are my feet, you moron.
Well, they look like clown boots. Where are you from, the circus? You got that yellow and red self thing on your shirt. You even got a red with a freaking symbol on the back of your robe. You even have your own clown hat, for talking out loud. My God, you have the biggest bulge on your beak. My God, I could literally cut peaches on that thing. Am I right, pea shooter?
I'm gonna smack you so hard right now. Just saying, you might pass out, and it's not gonna feel good.
Damn straight. Yeah, Mario, you better stop talking about us. We have holes, we have mouths like this, and then you judge us. Yeah, what happens if I tell you that you got like blue eyes like semen? And what if I told you that you got that yee ass haircut, man? I mean, who made you like that, man? Your mom built you different from all of us. Man, look at that haircut. That's not a hairline. That's a you. I mean, like, I could keep talking about this for days. Just like dedede, I'm gonna punch you so hard it will go down your throat and make sure you won't live anymore. Nah, you'd have to take care of me and other pea shooters for that. I'm gonna talk about you more. I mean, like, where'd you get these overalls, man? I didn't know you went to a farmer to shop for your clothes. I mean, dang. Look at that scarf. Where did you get that? From the floor? I mean, like, look at that mustache. That looks like a burnt hot dog sausage under your nose.
Finally done with this dish. Oh, this? Oh no, this is just pea shooter. Yeah, that's all pea shooter right there.
Hey guys, what are you talking about?
Oh. Let me just... Pea shooter, I'm not gonna punch you.
Okay, that's good. What are you gonna do?
Something much worse.
Dedede, what are you grabbing?
Oh, just a little toy, you know, just a little toy.
Dedede, what are you doing? Oh my God! Jesus Christ! Oh, I'm killing me!
Wow, King dedede, yeah, that's too, hardcore. I wouldn't kill someone even if I was, you know, I'm not evil like you. And besides, I did something even worse to him. Right? He's fine. Don't worry about him. Oh yeah, and besides, he's still alive. I hope so. So, dedede, you want to do something fun or something? I'm bored. I don't want to keep killing people.
Evil? I don't think I'm evil. I'm not evil.
So good.